wanted to come on, show what I was cooking for dinner tonight since I haven't made a video in a while. Here, I'm just pan searing some asparagus, and then I have some chicken drumsticks in the oven roasting, and I have a side of mashed potatoes, and that's it. And then I have like an orange cake for dessert. So once I'm done, I'll show a picture. I know it's been a minute since I've made a video, but I've been very, 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 very busy. And I will update you all on that or whatever. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and say hi. And if you want to see this video on how I do my asparagus, just please feel free to leave it in the comment section. I mean, it doesn't take long at all. Like literally under 10 minutes. Okay? I will show you the finished results of my meal when it's done. There, I'm just going to wrap these up and so they can further cook. And yeah, I'm just waiting for my chicken, so I'm just going to wrap these up again as a, in foil and let them continue to cook, steam, whatever. My roast chicken out of the oven, I'm just going to turn it and then cook it an additional 20 minutes, but it's looking really nice and crispy and flavorful. I don't have a video on this either, but I will be more than happy to share. Okay, 20 more minutes. My roast chicken will be ready to serve and eat. By the way, I have them placed on a cookie sheet. It's all done, nice and crispy and full of flavor. And I have it sitting on a towel because I don't want to burn my table. So, yeah, that's it. I'm just going to cover these up, let them sit for a few minutes, and then I will show you, everything on the plate as I always do, okay? That's the finished result. Roast chicken, asparagus, and mashed potatoes. Okay.